Hey guys, let us try this one. Roast breadfruit in the microwave. Now, I do it just as if I was going to make it on the coal stove or on the wood fire. So now I'm going to place it into a brown paper bag. Wet paper bag too. Make sure the paper bag wet. I'm going to take it to the microwave. Put it in the microwave for 11 minutes. So to go with our roast breadfruit, we're gonna have beetroot leaf. I'm gonna season it with some jalapeno peppers, garlic, tomato, onion. Gonna use plant-based butter, some quinoa seasoning, some coconut oil, some black pepper, and good Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Stay tuned. I'm gonna cut it up. Stay tuned. We're gonna let the pot get hot for a minute. Then we are gonna add in all our, let's test it to see if it's hot first. Yes. So we are gonna add all of our ingredients: jalapeno peppers, onion, and garlic. We're gonna do an in-between, add in some of the beetroot. But remember now, it's a beetroot leaf. Tastes just like callaloo. Some people say spinach. But we in Jamaica, we say callaloo. Gonna add the rest of the peppers, onion, and garlic. We're gonna add our quinoa spice. Not too much. You don't want too much. We're gonna add some black pepper. You're gonna add some plant-based butter. We're gonna add some Maggi all-purpose, so we do not need any salt. We're gonna mix it up. We are gonna leave it to steam or to cook. So now we're gonna test. Ooh, looking lovely. Looking lovely. Let's test it with our knife. Okay, it can go back a little bit more. Wait, let's test it again. Oh, very, very good. Now it's ready. Peel our breadfruit. Let's see how it turns out. Woo. Looking beautiful. It's very, very hot. Now there you have it. I'm about to cut it in two to see what it looked like. Ooh, beautiful. There you go. Roast breadfruit in microwave. Let's check on our beetroot now to see how it's doing. Oh, nice. Very, very nice. Let's taste and see if it's cooked. Delicious. And it's cooked, guys. It's cooked. Look how beautiful it is. Stay tuned. I'm gonna plate it right now. Now I'm gonna put my roast breadfruit. A lot of people like it fried, but they just finished roasting it in the microwave, and I'm gonna plate it. Very nice. Take a look. Roast breadfruit in microwave. Thanks for watching.